What a huge volatility we have for the market for today. We're going to talk about the stocks on the list like AVCT and the other stocks that went down. Endo is picking up momentum, energy stock is picking up momentum, and we're going to discuss where the entry point for them and where's the exit point. Of course, this is the most important thing in this current condition of the market because the market is going up and down, up and down, and up and down. If you just hold, you lose all the profit that you made for 1 week, 1 month. So we have to secure our profit. We're going to show you our strategy, the hunter way of trading, and let's get right to it. First stock we traded today, and we might have another squeeze for it, is FNGR. We did almost 27%. It was in red when the market opened, when we talked about it here 6 hours ago in pre-market, when we said the price that will reverse for this stock is the 530, and guess what? The price reversed and went for the first profit taking, the $7.74. Let me just show you the price as we suggested went here around the $5.30 precisely, and the price went higher. So we did almost 50% around our profit taking, going for the second profit taken as we suggested around the $9.11, and guess what? Now is around the $8.78. So this was the clear breakout for two profit taken. So what's the game plan for this stock? We need to hold above the $9 to confirm this reaction for tomorrow, above the $9.10 or above the $9.11 in order to continue to go to the $12.63 for FNGR. The volume is almost the 21 million. Next up we have Endo. Before we go to Endo, let me just go very quick for Tesla. If you remember last time we talked about Tesla, we said the next support for Tesla that we're gonna have a reversal at is the 232. See what's happened. The price went down today almost 6% and now is around the 3% because we visited important support, the 232. So what's the game plan? As we suggested, this should be our bottom for the coming days, and the next test or the resistance should be around the $2.63. Let me just take this off. So here we're gonna have accumulation for Tesla, then testing the $2.62 for potential reversal. Because look with me here, we have our AMA will call down in coming days around the 262. That's why I suggest here will be a turning point for Tesla, and it's not going in a bullish trend yet because we already broke this around the $2.76, which is a bit bearish signal for Tesla after we broke it. Now we need to hold above the 230, then breaking the 260 to tell you that the market maker bought this bottom for Tesla. Otherwise we're gonna go around the 182. Let me just go back to Endo because I got alert today when I was trading during the market open around the $8.73, and we got a fake out. What does mean fake out? The price go over our resistance and never close above it and closing below. You see this huge volatility down below? Yes, the short came in heavily for Endo. However, let me just show you, we need to hold this gap for Endo for coming days because this will confirm the breakout in coming few days above the $7.20. So the $7.20 should be our bottom above this AMA, and again Endo will have a retest for the $12.45. So the $12.45 will be the squeeze area for Endo to go higher again around the 21. So I will be extremely cautious about this trade because Endo is pretty volatile. As you can see here, we went until the $5 and the price went almost 68% in span a few days. So yeah, we might do another 40% for Endo in coming days. So watch out for the $8.73 breakout for Endo because this is when market volatility and a huge reversal. AVCT visited the important bottom, which is the $2. That's why we have volatility back. However, we're still struggling to overcome the $2.66 Now the price is still going below and closing a 1 hour candle below the $2. Let me just adjust it, $2.70. Yes, so we need to have a closing candle above this level of resistance in order to have a volatility again to go around the $3.50, $3.60 area. So let me just check how much we can do here. 30%, not bad, not bad for AVCT. After that, the $3.60, we're gonna get a huge volatility back again around the $5.78. But always take profit on the way, which is the $3.63, and put alert around the $2.70 because this will be a breakout zone for AVCT. And we have GameStop. This is by far the sleeping giant because AMC is going down and up and have a huge volatility, but GameStop is confined in this small area. Let me just show you this small area, small range between the $29 and the $24. We have small range. You know why? Because we have this EMA acting as a wall for us. So the price never overcome this level of resistance. So we need the indication of strength the moment that we break this EMA, and preferably closing above the $30. Otherwise, the price that will have a huge potential reversal is around the $20. So the $20 will be the first bottom for GameStop. Afterward, the 14. Of course, this will be the bottom for GameStop. For AMC, of course, everybody knows, we already talked about it in our live streaming, which is the $4.70. So watch out for GameStop. We need to hold this current support above this ascending line. If we held it, perfect, is mean we're gonna accumulate, then break the 30, then going toward the squeeze area, the $47. Watch out for this price action because after we go there, a lot of ape waiting for this squeeze because we already had the squeeze 2 years ago for GameStop. We might have it before the end of this year. That's why I put alert. I will be ready. Whatever the market go down or up, we capitalize on this opportunity because the bottom will have a huge reversal and the squeeze area or the resistance will have a huge volatility and the price explode up. So we don't feel FOMO. If you have a strategy, you never feel FOMO. Whatever the market go up or down, I don't like consolidating sideways because there's no money in it. However, if up or down, we can actually make some money. Let me know what's the price target for GameStop, AMC, and the other stock like Endo in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about our target and see you in the next update.